Itachi, today it is you and I, our turn. Chi. We're here, isn't it? Okay. Now, you said you're having problem with some of these questions. Okay, so now let's try and work it out together. Let's take your time so that we all will be on the same page, okay? So now let's take the first one, which says, as our first answer, we see x squared plus y squared plus 3x is equal to 20 over 2. Okay, we're supposed to find the center and the radius. So this can also be written as x squared plus y squared plus 3x is equal to 10. Do you agree? Because 2 divide 10, 20, 10. Then when we put this one together, we say x squared plus 3x, you see, here, and we have y squared plus 0 squared, okay, is equals to what? 10. Okay, so by dividing this one over here, you see, we can say that this one will be, x plus 3, okay, so we divide by 2, so this will be x plus 3 over 2, okay, into bracket squared, okay, then we subtract, how do I have to say it? So minus the 3 over 2 squared. Is that right? Okay. Then here we have y plus 0 squared. Then we subtract 0 squared from this, and it's equals to 10. Okay, then this implies that this, okay, are we okay? Yeah, we divided this one by 2. Over here we don't have that. Okay, so it implies that we have x plus 3 over 2 squared plus y squared, okay, is equals to 10, okay, minus 3 over 2. So that's over here, minus that, so that will be plus 3 over 2. Yeah, squared, and that of 0 squared. Okay, so we have our x plus 3 over 2 squared plus y squared is equals to, this will be 10 plus 9 over 4. Okay, so here is what we call, where we concentrate that. Okay, so LCM, you have 4 here, 4 goes here, 1 to 9, and that this will be 40 plus 9, and so this will be 49 over 4. So therefore, our equation, expansion, will give us the x plus 3 over 2 squared plus y squared, okay, equals to 49 over 4. So, meaning this x plus 3 over 2 equals 0, x equals negative 2, okay, and then over here y squared, okay, so y is equals to 0, okay, so therefore our coordinates, the center C will be negative 3 over 2. Okay, and we have 0 here for y, and the radius squared here as a radius will be 49 over that. So when we take square root of that, okay, this will be square root of 49 over 4, which is 7 over 2. Is it anything difficult, G? Okay, now let's look at the other ones. Okay, the second one. Okay, G, I'm going to use different color so that, you know, are you happy? Okay, now let's see. So the second one is s squared, which is b, yeah? B, okay, so the b part is s squared plus s squared 8 over 2x. So we have s squared plus 8 over 2x plus y squared minus sy plus 4 plus y squared minus sy plus 4, and that is equals to what? That is equals to plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, plus 4 is equals to 0. So the same approach. So we have to rewrite this equation. We'll rewrite the equation by simplification. So this one tells us that the first one is given as s squared plus 4x plus y squared minus 6y is equals to negative 4. Okay, so all what we have to do is to use the same approach that we used in the first one. Okay, so let's do separation. I've always told you that quadratic equation is, because a equation of a circle is two quadratic equations. Okay, so when we have to tackle this and tackle that. So when we do that, we say that this one, we are dividing this one by 2. So this one will be x plus 2 squared. Okay, then we say minus 4 over 2 squared. Okay, here it will be y minus 3 squared. Okay, then this one, okay, you get it? Okay, then when we finish, why? You're not getting it? No, it's negative b over 2a. Okay, so we have this, we have that. And that is always a 4. So this one to be minus, okay, 6 over 2 squared to be equals to negative 4. Is that right? Okay, let me break it down again. So you see what I did over here. What I did over here is this way. Let me take my time and do it again. So here is the way I have this. So 4 need to be x plus, okay, 4 over 2 squared. Okay, and when I finish, because I used that, okay, I divided by 2, I will subtract the same 4 over 2 squared here. Okay, then the y is y minus 3. So y minus 3 divided by 2 squared. Then I'll come here minus, okay, the value added, 3 over minus y over 2. Yeah, what is it? Y minus 6 over. So that is, sorry, 1, 6. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, 6. Okay, so here, when I come here, okay, so let's go back to it. So this is 6 thirds over 2. So 6 over 2 squared. Okay. Now, what did I divide? So let me clear this one so that you'll be clear with it. Okay. All right. I hope you're getting it. So this one, you see, it will be minus, you see, so you see this one 4 over 2 squared. Okay. And here, if you look at it, this one is 6. Yeah. So 3, this one 6 over 2, this one over 2. Okay. So that is 6 over 2 squared is equals to minus 4. Does it make sense? Then the reason why I got to where I am here, let me use different color so she will understand it. See this here, 4 over 2 is what I have over here. Okay, this is what I have over here. So let me break it down. So after that, okay, then this will be s plus 2 squared. This one will be minus, okay, 2 squared. You got it? This is y minus, okay. So this is 6 over 2. And originally this one is 2 divided by 32. This will give minus 3 squared. And you for sure know that this is also will be minus, this is positive 3 squared. If you're subtracting, is equals to what? Minus 4. So if we simplify very well, we have s plus 2 squared and y minus 3 squared. Okay, is equals to minus 4, and this one will come here. It will be plus 2 squared, and this will be 3 squared. Okay, so this will give us x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared. So I'm doing step by step so that you understand it. This will be 4 plus 9. Okay, so if eventually, we're going to get x plus 2 squared and y minus 3 squared is equals to what? 9. Okay, so meaning here s plus 2 equals 0, that will give s equals to negative 2, and y plus minus 2 equals 0, this y equals to what? 3. And r is equals to what? R squared is equals to 9. Okay, so meaning the r squared equals to 9 means r is equals to what? 3. So our center is negative 2, 3. Okay, and the r is equals to what? 3. Well, I think that's where I will leave you to try your hands on the rest. We have done A and B. I will expect you guys to be able to do the C, D, and E. Okay, and when we meet, we'll talk about it again. Yeah, is that right? It's not difficult. Okay, then until we meet again, cheerio, bye.